Okay, hello and welcome back. And now I'm going to take you through the steps today to make your second programming assignment, which was 11-D, which it states to modify the original program to operate so that the closing the manual push button, pressure switch, or the temperature switch will energize the motor starter. Now if you look at the screen, you'll notice this is the exact same program that we used for doing 11C, which was AND configuration. All we need to do now is to set these up in an OR configuration. And that's one of the beauties of RS Logix and PLC programming software is it's very easy to make changes. So I'm going to go ahead and remember we're going to close this guy over here on the left by clicking that. That gets us our file structure back again. So we want an OR configuration, so we don't even need to change anything now. We're going to click here first. Okay, we're going to left click. That puts a black box around this instruction set. And we want to put it in an OR configuration. So we're going to put a rung branch right here. So that put a rung branch right in here, which gives us an OR configuration. So what we need to do is we'll left click and hold on this particular instruction. I'm going to bring it over here and drop it right on this middle one. See, once it turns green, that's a suggestion. It wants me to let go of it. I'm going to let go now, and you'll see it go inside the branch. Okay, there's our first instruction. Okay, now we need to take this one, and we're going to put it down below it. So we're going to bring this, we're going to left click and hold, bring this thing over here. We're going to let go when it turns green. And we've got two of them already in an OR configuration. The only thing that's left to do now is to add another branch so that we have a 3 OR condition. So we're going to left click on the corner here, turn it into a black box. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on the rung branch. And you can see that that puts us another rung here, another OR condition. So all I need to do now is click this instruction 1, 2, bring it over here, and it's going to turn into a suggestion because I want it on that particular rung, and I'm going to let go. Okay, if that didn't line up exactly the way you want it, all we got to do is click this, move it over, and let go here. Okay, and now you can see that all three of those particular instructions are in an OR configuration. So all we need to do now is we need to change and edit this comment up here. So we're going to click on rung 00. We're going to hit edit the rung comment, and all we got to do is change that AND to an OR. Okay, so this is an OR configuration for controlling the motor. Okay, now we need to prepare this program to be downloaded. So we click on this button here, which toggles between PLC window and the instruction window. All right, best thing to do I found is you close this first, select the simulator that you want before you begin, click the IO simulator, and remember if it doesn't show up, just click the X here, and now it's there. We're going to go ahead and hit download first, and then we're going to go to run. So that typically seems to work out a little bit better. So we've got the 3 OR condition here, so if I click I:10, the motor is now on. If I let go of that one, if I put I:11 and then click again to make that one turn off, and if I click on I:12, the motor would come on as well. Now if I click all three of them, it has no effect on the motor because it only takes one path of true logic to activate the motor. Okay, so I:1 will activate it, 10 activates it, 11 activates it, and then 12 activates it as well. So we've tested our program is functional, it is a good program. Alright, so now I'm going to go to program mode here because I want to make some changes. We want to save this program as something else now. We've created our program, it's functional. We're going to go to File, Save, because all I did was originally was just open the old program and made some changes. So I'm going to hit File and Save. It's going to give me a suggestion, but I want to change it now to D. And now when I put D, it's going to save it on my desktop, and I click Save. So now that program is on my desktop. Hope you found that this instruction set has made it easier for you to program. And in the future, I'll be adding some more lessons here, so be sure to look back, and hopefully this has helped you. Have a great day.